Greetings in the name of the Most High. Now today is a different kind of video we're going to make today. We're going to make a formula for women who have menorrhagia, blast bleeding, dysmenorrhea, period pain, and amenorrhea, lack of a period. Lots of women have imbalanced hormone and they can't get pregnant and they don't have a period in 6 months or 2 years. So we're going to make a formula now teaching the woman how to become fertile and how to keep the uterus clean from all these growths. You know what I mean? So you can get to your babies fast, okay? Because you are the mother of civilization. And we want to teach people as much as we can, because when we die, we don't want to die with the secrets. A lot of people keep things in their head, and they die and leave it behind. We're going to teach you how to do it. So we're going to make a formula and teach you how to do that. And the first formula we're going to make today is called woman's formula. And then it's going to affect the womb in a positive way also. Alright, so we're going to clean up the womb, and it's going to get rid of growths and stuff, and it's going to get you pregnant if you're infertile. Right? If you have period pain, it helps. If you have lacking of the period, it also helps. Okay? Before we go though, people ask me about religion and domination. I am a man of no religion. I don't believe in religion. Religion is confusion and division, like politics. Politics and religion, the confusion, and they cause the division among people. So I don't get involved with them. You understand? And the same Christians who praise in Christ every day, he run from them politicians. He don't want to be no politician. He rejected the same Bible the Christians reading. The same Christ on the mountain, he rejected all the kingdom of the world from the same Satan, what they call him the devil in the Bible. So they don't know why they're going to vote for them politicians. Crazy stuff. You know what I mean? He tell all the other kingdom, he tell all the Christians that his kingdom is no part of this world. So why are you all getting involved in worldly things? And go back and read Daniel 2:44. Read it. That the same God that everybody's supposed to praise and putting all the trust in these politicians, he tell you he will crush all of them. And his kingdom will stand to time and death and night. So what are you voting for these vampires for? All these guys like Clinton and all these people like Trump. You can't learn nothing from black people. Why you want to learn to teach black people, learn from black people now? When you've been in business so long and you want to come in 2016 and learn from black people, you won't do nothing for them before? How come? Don't let these people use you all, man. They're just politics and they trick every day. So I don't deal with politics, nor do I deal with religion. I don't vote and I don't deal with religion. But I believe that there is a creator called the Most High. And I believe in all the prophets. Eh? Alright, wonderful. Now, when we're going to make the formula now, we're using some herbs. Don't forget the name of the herb. But the first herb we're going to use is a herb called chaste. Chastity, and that herb works in the pituitary gland in the brain, and it helps the pituitary gland to normalize both LH, luteinizing hormone, and FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, that helps to balance both a woman's progesterone and her estrogen levels. And once these two hormones are balanced, a woman don't get PCOS. If the pituitary gland do not balance both LH and FSH, a woman's ovaries start to produce androgens, men hormones, she gets beard, and she starts to have a lot of follicles and ovaries, right? So we're going to use this formula to stop that. And then if a woman has PCOS, it's more difficult for her to become pregnant, right? Now this stops that. The next herb in this formula is called mother's wort. And mother's wort is, we deal with nervousness and anxiety, but it acts as what we call an emmenagogue. It helps things to flow. So the older Indian women used to use this herb called mother's wort as an emmenagogue to help them to have a period. It used to be like a birth control pill. That is also in here. We also use it for women who go through menopause. The next herb in here is called dangqui, D-A-N-G-Q-U-I. And dangqui helps to move the blood. And like ginger, move the blood. And when it moves the blood, it helps to your liver, it helps a woman's liver, to help the woman to do what? To help to balance back all her hormones and get rid of the excessive amount of estrogen. And also, if there is growth in the uterus or in the ovaries, then this particular herb moves them or to shrinks them, because you have to use herbs that have a circulatory effect to shrink things. The next herb in here is called red raspberry leaves. And this particular herb helps to strengthen the uterus and tonify it and prevent miscarriages. So all women who become pregnant should use this herb regularly from the time you find out that you are pregnant, because it also helps to have a fast delivery. And the next herb we're going to use here is ginger. And ginger also helps with circulation like donkey, but it helps to move lots of things, but it also helps the woman to prevent a lot of gases, but it also helps a woman to become pregnant. Now, if the woman have menorrhagia, we may use another herb called shepherd's purse in the mixture, in the formula, to help the woman to stop the passive bleeding. Or we can use some cinnamon there too, cinnamon bark, right? Now we get some organic grain alcohol, distilled 4 to 5 times, organically grown or organic alcohol, and the alcohol acts as an absorber of the nutrients or the compounds in the plants. So you have to know how much alcohol to put and how much cloves to put in the mixture. Yeah. So we use about, let's say about we might use about 4 parts of each herb, and the main herb in this formula is chase tree, because that's the herb that's working on the pituitary gland in your brain to help to normalize your LH and FSH, to balance your progesterone and your estrogen levels. So this mixture or this formula should have chase tree as the main herb. Yeah? And then all the other herbs are what we call supporting herb and assisting what the chase tree is doing in the woman's reproductive system. Yeah? And we take it and we put it in 75% proof of organic alcohol. Yeah? Throw it in there. No secrets, when we tell you the truth, we just will have some red clover there. And the red clover have lots of isoflavones. In case the woman has troubles in the hormones, it has a lot of isoflavones. And if there is growth, because red clover acts as an anti-tumor herb. It prevents tumor, it shrinks tumor if they're there. Alright? And then we put a little bit of ginger in there. Yeah? And if the woman have low blood, if she have an HB that is very low, we are looking to build the blood now. So we're going to put some Romania inside it also. So it is also a blood builder. Yeah? Although it is for fertility, but it also acts as building the blood in a woman if she have a low HB. And we put it in there. Yeah? And when a woman wants to get pregnant, and we start cleaning up the uterus and preparing for pregnancy, because now we are going and unblock the tubes if they're blocked. Because all these herbs here, some of them have lots of anti-tumor activity and they help with circulation. So any kind of blockage in the tube, it unblocks it and prepares the uterus for pregnancy in the womb. Right? So what we do, once you're trying to get pregnant, you must get calcium and magnesium. And guess what happened? Nature. See what I mean? We call it sugar apple in Grenada. We use the green one and we drop the green one inside here. Yeah? And then we do the covering. Cover it up. And we shake it up. And you leave this in there for 2 weeks. And every day you're going to shake it. Every morning you're going to shake. Every evening you shake for 2 weeks. And after 2 weeks, you can take it and you can put it in a very dark bottle. And then you can take about 50 to 60 drops 3 times per day. And when you're taking this, once it's really prepared, then you will see a discharge from your vagina. Meaning that anything inside your vagina is cleaning it up. And it is preparing the womb for pregnancy. And then you're going to get some calcium and magnesium. You're going to get some flax oil or even primrose oil. You're going to get some vitamin E, which helps with fibrocystic breast disease, but also help with pregnancy. And you're going to get the B complex. So you're going to get the B complex, flaxseed oil, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin E with the woman's formula, and in 3 menstrual cycles, 3 months, you're supposed to have your baby bubbling in your womb. And you stay away from grease and starches and pork and barbecue. And you work on building back up your reproductive system, and all of a sudden you will see that this menorrhea disappears, pain. Menorrhagia, calm down, blood stop flowing regularly. And amenorrhea, if you don't have a period, that's which is amenorrhea, your period will come once you start on the woman's formula. And if there's a growth in there, you will put some more herbs to help to shrink the growth that is in your uterus and prepare for pregnancy. Yeah? Blessed. Now we having some trouble with messages. So if you want to make a consultation, make an appointment to have a consultation, you have to go to the website. The website is www.patrickdells.com. It is easier to go to there so we could talk a little better, because during the day I'm busy between 10 and 5. So all the consultations are supposed to be between 7 and 10 in the morning and 5 and 8 in the evening. Because I don't want anybody to say I'm cocky and I'm egotistic and stuff. So I want to be able to help everybody that I can. Alright? So go to the website www.patrickdells.com, and then we can talk and we can tell you what the troubles are, and we will try to help you as much as we can. Yeah? And don't forget to get your source up. And this year, we have this formula here for cancer, and we will talk about this in the next video. We put a lot of herbs in here for cancer treatment to shrink tumors, drain the lymphatic system, help the liver. So if a person has cancer and we give them this product, they start to do better. We're going to tell you what the herbs are in the next video. Blessed love, and give Jehovah God the glory. All right.